gonna know me. Somebody's gonna know me. Like the sun knows the sea, and the sea knows the rain, and the rain knows the trees, and the trees know the wind, and the wind knows the bird, and the bird knows the worm, and the worm knows the dirt, and the dirt knows the earth, and the earth knows the sun, and the sun knows me. So when you do know me, and you really know me, you will say, welcome home, welcome home, oh yeah, welcome home, welcome
Just in case she wants it back. Just in case she comes back. She left a white linen coat at my favorite coffee shop. It smelled like her cologne. She never showed up, and that was weeks ago. The barista finally told me I should just take it home, but I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in case she comes back. And I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in case she comes back. Just in case she comes back. So I spent my days in the days just watching the door, imagining all of the ways that she'd look when she walked back in. As she ran to the counter, oh, she was asking about it, and that's when I'd say, excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I think I found something that belongs to you. And I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in case. And I left it back, just in case she comes back. And I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in case she comes back. The barista finally told me I should just take it home, but I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in case she comes back. And I left it there, just in case she wants it back. And I left it there, just in just in case she comes back.
I put it in my brain, and now I got to remember it. You made me cry, I got to remember it. You put it in my mouth, I got to remember it. You put it in my mouth, and you made me say it. I got to remember it. It's like me saying it over and over again just makes it true, and you just get to forget it. You put it in my brain, you made me cry. You put it in my mouth, and you made me say it. Now I got to remember it. I have to hold on to it. I have to carry it around with me. I have to pack it into a tiny little suitcase, a little red suitcase that I carry with me everywhere I go, and it becomes like a trophy or a tumor. You found me like memory. You found me like memory. rest of my mind.